a rhythm. Let the lights ignite your heart.
Take a little time from your busy day. Send a spark, a word, and chase the clouds away. Someone's lost their path, drifting in the gray. Your voice can lift them up, guide them through the day.